Hi, my name is Matt and I'm with Salty, Alaska. On my last video I uploaded, it was a video clip of my boat sinking in Prince William Sound. And this video is how we got the boat back, sandblasted it, stripped it, fixed it up, repainted it, and put it back on the water. So this is just a video and photo montage of fixing the boat back up and getting it on the water again. All right, I'm here with Zach. He's gonna bring my boat back. So, Zach, do you want to explain a little bit why you're going to do it?
Yeah, sure. Basically just going to head over there, and once we get over to the bay, we'll do a dive survey, check it out, pull, probably right the boat, because it looks like just from the pictures that the orientation is upside down. So we'll right the boat first, and then we'll float it up, dewater the vessel, stabilize it, and tow it back to Whittier for you. Pretty straightforward.
Great. Well, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Appreciate your work.
Yeah, not a problem.
Can't wait to see the boat.
Yeah, hopefully sooner than later. So
right. Yeah, we're
get it done.
Waiting on weather right now, so hopefully in a few days. So.
Yeah.
We are on our way to put the boat back on this trailer. I think it's like 0 degrees. It's frightfully cold anyway. I feel bad for the guys that had to go diving in this weather to get the boat, but I guess that's their job.
You ride with us?
Hey Zach.
How are you, sir?
Good. Well, it looks a little rough, but I thought it might be worse than that.
Yeah. The worst, like I told them, the worst is me getting the stink out of there from the deer.
Yeah, I wish we would have threw those deer just out in the water and let them float away when this was all going on.
All right, JJ. Ready? Yep.
Well, it's out of the water for the first time in 4 weeks and 2 days, or 3 days. So here I have the boat in my shop, trying to melt all the snow off. The outboards that mechanic told me are ruined, being soaked in salt water for 4 weeks. I was surprised how well the hull and the rest of the boat seemed to do for being underwater so long. I guess it is made out of aluminum. Here the railing got tore off. This thing here got all messed up. The boat was kind of resting on this back corner, which is what tore it up. You can see it's like kind of ground up there from sitting on the rocks upside down. The roof got beat up from sitting upside down. You see the crab pot puller and grab rails a little busted up. Inside's a real mess here. Deer hair everywhere. One of the deer washed in this thing while it was upside down and decomposed. So I imagine we'll have to strip the whole interior because we need to get all the salt water out of everything. Getting this thing ready for primer. You gonna sing? We are ready to shoot, I think. Got it all wiped down, vacuumed up. It's amazing. Couldn't stop finding dust. We're gonna shoot gray first. Gonna shoot gray, dark gray, and then the blue late tomorrow.